some squishies. So you probably see these two back here. You probably remember them. They are the Still Pickle and other one. I do not remember its name. That's okay today. So we are going to open these up. They're so cute. I got them from Walmart. I'm going to get most of them from Walmart. If I don't, I will tell you. So these guys, these two people, these guys, they were from my last video, which was my first video, my second video. So I can't wait. Please subscribe below, as you know. Okay, so let's open up this one first, because I'm dying to see which one I get. This, I really want to see. I really want to get this one. Really want to get the sleeping cats, because they're so cute. Okay, let me open it real quick. Oh, jeez. I got the frog. It's so cute. So squishy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Don't you see, guys? It's so cute. Put you back here. Okay, so you're probably looking at this. This is huge. I can't get the whole thing in it, but there you go. Pearl review. Okay, so it's really big. I think it wants me to open it from here. I think. I don't know. Okay, let's get that off. Get this off. Ooh, I got some new stickers. Ooh, they look yummy too. Maybe it's for lunch. I don't know. Oh, now I need to go in the back over here. What are they doing? Okay, so the back must want me to open. So this is going to be a little challenging for me. Oh, God. This is hard. Jesus. Would they want me to not open this? Ah. Aha. Oh, dang it. Ah. Ooh, I got number 2 open. Oh, God. Oh, this is so... Oh, jeez. It's so rubbery. Look at it, guys. It's like a little ice cream. You see, guys? Gosh. So stretchy. So stretchy. Doing the video. Doing my video.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so stretchy, guys. Oh my gosh. I think it sticks. Let me see. No, it does not stick, apparently. Let me try right here. Nope, it does not stick, but it does look like it does. It's rubbery. Ow, I don't think it's really that supposed to be so that squishy. But I don't know how to open this, so I'm just going to continue what I'm doing. Ow. It's hurting me. Okay, let's do number 1. Aha. Oh my gosh. I get a hamburger. Or whatever this is. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. Oh my god. Feels so good. It's so rubbery. Ooh, it feels like little things are inside. So cute. Oh my gosh. There's like a little open spot, but oh gosh. Does it bounce? No, not really. But it landed on top. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll put it right next to this other guy where the frog is. Remove this. Wait. Okay, now I really can't wait to see what this one is. Oh, yeah. Ooh, is this like a... Oh, God. It's like a... Oh, squishies are so cute. Oh, my God. Guys, this is so cute. I was hoping to get this one, and you know what? I got it. Guys, I got it. I got it. I got it. This is so cute. Oh, my God. Hey, gosh, I could play with this all day, but I can't. Oh, my God. It feels like slime a little bit. But it's not. Oh, my gosh, this, guys. This is so cute. Oh, my gosh, I can't stop squishing it. Hi, Squish fandom, so squishy. Yeah, comment below if you like me. And I'm so cute with my little tail. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my god. I can't stop squishing it. Okay, so let's put it back here. Gosh, these are all so squishy, but this is the only one that's really slow rising I opened today. For this, I thought it was going to be so smaller. It really did. It really did. I think they were going to be smaller. I was hoping to get the cats, but that's okay. The fish, I don't know. It looks a little weird. But now that I see the frog in person, it's so cute. I can't stop. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's doing a little handstand. See, like that. It's doing a little handstand. And it's got its own little food to eat. Nom, 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 nom. And a drink. It's probably dessert or a drink or something. It's probably Sunday. Or not. I don't know. But please comment below and tell me which one was your favorite. I definitely think this was my favorite. Because it's so cute. That's really stretchy too. Please comment below. What was your favorite part? Was it either the stickers, the frog, this one, the sundae, I think, and the hamburger, or this cute guy? Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.